students. How are you all? Hope you are fine and safe at your homes. So yesterday we have started the formal letter writing and we have learned how to write a letter to the principal. We have started with the formal letter writing and I have told you they can be either written to the school principal, the manager, the director of education, or to the government authorities and even to the editors of the newspaper to just highlight any of the problems that you face. So you can just give your article to the daily newspaper in your city. So today we are here to write a letter. We will learn how to write a letter to the editor highlighting some of the problems, common problems that we face. So let's start letter writing to the editor, but before we write a question and the sample, just learn how to write the format. So just open your grammar copies and just as yesterday we have first written the format, so we are going to write the format. So let's start. So what is the format? If you have to write a letter to the editor, first of all you will write sender's address. So that means your address, where you live. So you have to write your own address, right? And if the address is already there in the question, then you will mention the same address, or you can mention yours if it's not mentioned in the question. After sender's address, what you will write is date. After date, leave one line and then receiver's address, right? Who is receiving your letter? Supposingly we are writing the letter to the editor. So here whose address should be there? It should be the address of the editor. The name of the newspaper should be there and the editor you will start with. We are going to just do that. So after your receiver's address, what we should write? Leave one line and then there should be salutation. Dear sir, respected ma'am, as we have done yesterday. After salutation, what should be there in the formal letters? Very essential, it is subject. So after subject, leave one line and then your body. After body, leave one line and then your subscription. And after subscription, obviously your name, or if you are at the post, then your designation also you can mention. But since you are a student, so no need to do that. So this is the format of writing a letter to the editor. You can just note it down in your grammar notebooks as I have written it on the board. And after that, I give you one question. Based on that, you will try to solve the question. So this sender's address, then date, then receiver's address plus salutation, then your subject, body and your subscription, that is your name, your sign. So this is the format. So just copy it down. So I hope you have done it. So now let's write the question. So what is the question? The question says, let me erase it and then I'll give you the question. Please write very neatly. And step by step you have to follow the procedure. So this is the question that we are going to do today. Supposingly you are Rishabh Sharma. So I am giving you the name in the question itself and you have to sign it as Rishabh Sharma only. And living at, the address is also mentioned, living at 43 Man Sarovar Garden, New Delhi. So this means the address is also given and your name is also mentioned in the question. Write a letter to the editor of a newspaper, editor of a newspaper, expressing your concern, at the bad condition of the roads, right? So this is the question. question, address is there and your name is there and you have to write a letter to the editor, and the area in which you are living in is the problem over there, that the road conditions are not good in your area, in your locality. So you have to awaken the government so that they can take necessary measures and the improvement of road can be fed. So let's write down. We'll start with the sender's address. So what is your address here? 43 Man Sarovar Garden, and the name of the city is New Delhi, right? So after this, what you will write here? Date. Supposingly you are writing it on 20 of August 2020. So after date, what should be the next step? The address of the editor. So what will we write? We'll write the editor, as we have written the principal plus the Hindustan Times. So after that we will write the name of the newspaper in which you want to give your article, the Hindustan Times, New Delhi, in your city if it is published. Then after this, what should be the next step? After this we will write the salutation. So what should be the salutation? Respected sir, or simply sir also you can write. And then your subject. What is the subject? Bad condition. As I have told you yesterday, it should not be the complete question, only the main theme that is there. Bad condition of the road. So the person will understand that this is regarding the bad condition of the road in your locality. After subject, what should be the next thing we should do? It's your body. So how will we start? You can always say through your esteemed column, I just want to inform you that basically we start like this, or you can also start like this. A municipality meets waking up. As private appeals to their office has had no effect, perhaps a little publicity. So this means you have already informed earlier also, but no step has been taken, will do no harm. So now you just want to publish in the newspaper. Will do no harm. During the last month, during the last month, the Bhagat Singh Road, so you will mention the name of the road, has been almost impassable. So there is no possibility for anyone to pass. The surface is in bad shape. The surface is in bad shape. So you will just tell what are the loopholes now. So you will just mention all these things. So I hope you have written the question and hope you have written this. So I am just erasing this. Is in bad shape due to the heavy rains. So you will mention the actual condition and the reason for that. Heavy rains and at night it is extremely dangerous for motorists you can say, or carriage. So it is for the vehicles to pass. It is very difficult to pass that way. So now we will take a new paragraph. So we are not going to start from here, but we will leave one line and then we will continue with the next paragraph. So how will we do that? Let me erase this. Hope you have done that. Okay. So moreover, always you have to start with the left hand side. There are, what else is there? Just mention all the problems now. There are heaps of road metal. Sometimes you might see that the material is lying at the sides of the road. On both the sides of the road which leave very little space in the middle. So both the sides are covered with the road material, but since the road has not been constructed or renovated, so it is just that you have no enough space in between the road to pass through. The vehicles really face a big problem. Okay, in the middle. It is scandalous. It is scandalous that we should be inconvenienced. So it causes a lot of inconvenience. Convenienced. Please write down the spellings correctly. Just break the word. In this way for weeks, since it is rainy season and the road is really in bad condition and can further worsen, so you have to awaken the government. Way for weeks, and I hope the public will bring pressure on those responsible so that the road may be put in thorough repair without any further delay. So it is already very late, so they don't want any further delay and the government should come forward and rectify it. So this is how you will write your body, and as I have told you yesterday, you can frame it in your own words. Okay, after that, thanking you, and then subscription, yours faithfully, since you have full faith, and your sign, Rishabh Sharma. So what was the name given in the question? It was Rishabh Sharma. So you will sign out as Rishabh Sharma. So this way we will write the letter to the editor. So all the steps we have followed, and the basic is the salutation, the subscription, the receiver's address, the sender's address, date and subject. They should be at the proper place, and body you can just write your book. So I hope you have done that and you have understood the format, and now you can write a letter to the editor whenever there is some problem. So this is what we have learned today, and this was a sample question. So again I will give you one question for your practice that you have to do in your grammar notebooks, right? And you will just click the pic and you will upload on the Google Classroom or Checkmate or whenever we ask for your notebooks. But it should be there in your grammar notebook. So let's write down the question for your homework now. I hope you have done. So I am erasing some parts so that I can write down the question for the homework. Right? Okay. So what is your question now? I'll be giving you the name and the address as usual. As this is your homework as Vinayak Mathur. So now what is your name? Your name is Vinayak Mathur of Friends Colony. So now what is your address? Friends Colony. So where do you live? In the Friends Colony, Rajgarh. So what is the place name? City you will write as Rajgarh, right? Write a letter to the editor of a local daily, that is your daily local newspaper that is there in your city. Drawing attention towards the frequent power failure. So it is just frequent that the electricity cuts are there in your city and you just want to awaken the government, the office, the heads that the power supply should be proper in your locality. In your locality, especially during, since it is very hot, so you all are facing very big problem. During peak summer months, so it is very hot and we really need a proper electricity supply months. So you have to frame a letter to the editor based on this question. So I hope you will write the proper format and body you can just frame. But then for some people, those who don't know how to write a body, at this time I am giving you some of the hints, so you can take even the help of your hints. So I am just giving you some of the key points. Using those key points, you can just frame your body. So let's note down the hints if you want to, otherwise you can frame in your own words. Peak summer months. Although in the exams it will not be given, but then it's just for your practice. Demand for electricity increases. So as the summer starts, the demand for electricity, it increases. Supply the same. Supply remains same. Demand is increasing. Frequent power failure. Frequent power failure. Normal life gets disturbed, and what are the consequences then? Normal life, it gets disturbed. How? Then you will write that. Home appliances do not work. Home appliances do not work. Especially you need internet connection. Wi-Fi is off. Mobile data does not work. Online classes are there. Right? In fans, it hampers your studies. Senior citizens, even senior citizens put to great inconvenience. So who suffers the most is the senior citizens, the older people, and especially the children. scheduled power cuts. So you will suggest that there should be scheduled power cuts with prior information so that you can schedule accordingly your work. Use electricity wisely. So it should be evenly distributed everywhere, and then it should not be wasted. Right? So these are the hints. You can take the help of these clues and you can frame your own letter to the editor regarding the extensive power cuts in your locality, in your area. So I hope you have understood. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.